Once again, welcome children. Children, today I am going to explain weight chapter question answers, and these question answers are based on balance. Let's start. Can you suggest a way for doing this? So here we have one story. Let's read the story. Broken stones. Abdu sells firewood. So this man is Abdu and he used to sell firewood. There was a stone in his shop which weighed 13 kg. So he was having one stone and the weight of that stone was 13 kg. He used it to weigh firewood. One day the stone fell down and broke into three pieces which weighed 2 kg, 5 kg and 6 kg. So one day what happened, the stone fell down. The stone which weight was 13 kg was fell down and broke into three pieces, and here you can see three broken stone. One is of 5 kg, another one is of 6 kg, and the last one is of 2 kg. But Abdu was very smart, he was very clever. He used those three pieces to weigh firewood of all weights. So this man was using these broken stone to weigh firewood of all weights from 1 kg to 9 kg. Here is how Abdu weighed 1 kg of firewood. So here Abdu is weighing 1 kg of firewood. So children, what he did, he has kept you can see here 6 kg broken stone on right pan and 5 kg broken stone on left pan, and you all know 6 minus 5 equals 1, and this firewood is of 1 kg. Okay, the weight of this firewood is of 1 kg, and you all know 5 plus 1 equals 6 kg. So now his both the pans are balanced, because when you will add left side of pan, means this one pan, the total weight is 6 kg here, and here also you can see that weight is 6 kg and both the pans are balanced. So in this way he has weighed 1 kg of firewood. Moving to the next page. Now you show how Abdu will use these stone pieces to weigh 4 kg of firewood. Now children, here what he has to do, he has to use these stone pieces to weigh 4 kg of firewood. So children, what he will do, here you can see this one is the bigger stone. He will keep this 6 kg bigger stone over here in left pan, okay, and he will keep this 2 kg small stone over here, okay, in right pan. So this is the broken stone, 2 kg broken stone he will keep here, and 2 kg broken stone, and this one is 6 kg broken stone. Okay, now children, for balancing both the pans, you can see here we have 6 kg and here we have 2 kg. So for balancing both the pans, what he will do, 6 kg minus 2 kg equals how much? 4 kg. So he will keep here 4 kg firewood. So when he will keep 4 kg firewood, both the pans will be balanced. Here I am writing 4 kg firewood. Okay, so you all will do it in this way. Now you can see here both the pans are balanced, and now he would be able to weigh 4 kg of firewood. Okay, moving to the next page. Now you show how Abdu will use these stone pieces to weigh 3 kg of firewood. Now children, here Abdu has to weigh 3 kg of firewood, and you all know Abdu is very smart and he is having these 3 pieces of broken stone. So how he will use these stones? So if he will keep this one and this one in one pan and this one in another, then he would be able to get only 1 kg firewood. So what he will do, he will keep this 5 kg firewood here, not firewood, he will keep 5 kg broken stone over here, okay, and so 5 kg broken stone he will keep here in one pan, and in other pan he will keep this small broken stone that is of 2 kg. So children, you all know 5 minus 2 equals how much? 5 minus 2 equals 3 kg. So he will keep 3 kg of firewood over here. Okay, so in this way he would be able to weigh 3 kg firewood. Okay, now both the pans are balanced. This one is where in this pan 5 kg weight and here also 5 kg weight. Okay, moving to the next page. Now you show how Abdu will use these stone pieces to weigh 7 kg of firewood. Now children, he has to weigh 7 kg of firewood. So what he will do, he will keep 5 kg and 2 kg broken stone over here. And in this pan, what he will do, he will keep 7 kg firewood. Okay. So in this way, he would be able to weigh 7 kg firewood. Okay. Moving to the next page. So here your question is, Anamika wants to weigh this chair using the weighing machine. Can you suggest a way for doing this? So children, I think you all have seen such type of weighing machine, and you have to suggest a way for doing this. Means Anamika has to weigh this chair and you have to suggest her how she will be weighing this chair. Okay, so children, because you all know when you will keep this chair on this weighing machine, this weighing machine is smaller than this chair, so it will come under the chair. So what you will do, you will put a flat wooden slab on this weighing machine, and after that what you will do, you will put this chair on this slab. Okay, so after that you would be able to weigh the chair. Now the difference in the weight of the chair with wooden slab and weight of the wooden slab will be the weight of chair. Okay, means कि जो आपका ये जो वुडन स्लैब है इसका जो वेट है और इस वुडन स्लैब के साथ इस चेयर का जो वेट है, दोनों का आपको डिफरेंस निकाल के जो वेट आएगा दैट विल बी द वेट ऑफ द चेयर. ओके, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. Now it's your turn. Now you show how Abdu will use these stone pieces to weigh 11 kg of firewood. So it's very simple children. It's your turn. You have to tell how he would weigh 11 kg of firewood. Let's check the answer. So children, what he will do, he will put 6 kg broken stone and 5 kg broken stone on left pan, and here he will be having 11 kg of firewood. Then he would be able to balance these pans. Okay, moving to the next page. Now put the right sign. So children, here you have to put the right sign. Here we have 450 kg plus 550 kg dash 1000 gram. So let's check your answer whether you are correct or not. So I think all of you are correct, and 1000 kg is greater than 1000 gram. Moving to the next page. Now next question is put the right sign. Here your question is 450 kg plus 550 kg dash 1000 grams. So you have to put the right sign here. Let's check whether you are correct or not. So here your answer is both are equal because 1000 kg equals 1000 kg. With this we come to an end, and I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.